everyone, today we are going to discuss one of the sample answers of the cue card, and that is describe a situation when you help someone. You should say what the situation was, who the person was, how you helped them, and explain how you felt after helping him or her. Let's move on to the sample answer, but before that, there is a tip for you. If you're struggling to start your sample answer and you're thinking that you're not able to start properly the way you're supposed to, then let me tell you a phrase that you can use every single time. And the phrase is in this day and age. This we can use when you want to say nowadays. So rather than saying nowadays, which I would say is really common and mundane as well, you can use in this day and age, which really attracts the examiner. So I'm going to also use the same. Let's see how exactly. In this day and age, lending a hand to others is such a great virtue, as people have a lot on their plates, so they hardly get some spare time to help someone. However, at this moment, I've decided to talk about a time when I assisted a stranger. If I'm not mistaken, one day I was waiting for my train at a bustling station. The platform was crowded and people rushed to catch their respective trains. In between that chaos, I noticed a wallet laying on a bench. It was a worn-out leather wallet. So over here, started exactly the same in this day and age, which means nowadays or in the present time. Then I have used another thing, that is lend a hand, which means helping someone. Virtue, it's a vocabulary word that we can use for saying good behavior. Have a lot on their plates. This we can use basically when you want to say that you're busy in something. So rather than saying busy, you can say have a lot on their plates. Assisted, this means help. If I'm not mistaken, this is one of the natural expressions that you can use every single time when you want to talk about the past. There we can use it. Bustling, this we can use for crowded. Worn out, this word can be used for talking about the condition, that the condition of that thing is not really great. There we can use it. Next, I picked up the wallet and examined its content. There were no identification cards, but it had a few bills, some loose change, and a faded picture of an elderly couple. The couple looked as happy as Larry, and their arms wrapped around each other. I have used as happy as Larry. This is an idiomatic expression, and this we use when we want to say happy. Next one. At the top of a hat, I decided to find the owner. I checked once again the wallet for any clues. Hidden in a small pocket, I found a handwritten note. It read, "To my dearest John, forever and always." The name John was my lead. I approached the station staff and asked if they knew anyone named John who had lost a wallet. They directed me to the lost and found department. So in that, I have used the idiomatic expression, and that is at the drop of a hat. This we can use when you want to say immediately. There we can use it. Inside the office, I met an anxious man named John. His eyes widened when he saw the wallet. He explained that it belonged to his late wife, Bella. She had passed away a year ago, and he had kept the wallet as a cherished memory. So over here, I have used cherished for talking about happy, lovable, enjoyable. There we can use it. I handed him the wallet and he clutched it tightly. Everyone over there praised me to the skies for this generous act. Praised me the sky, it's mean that they praised me. For generous, generous basically we use when we want to say kind. There we can use it. As I walked John away, I felt a deep sense of fulfillment and was feeling over the moon. It wasn't just about returning a wallet, it was about reuniting John with a piece of his heart. In that moment, I understood the power of small act of kindness, and because of that, nowadays, I prefer to help others whenever I can. So over here, I have used the idiom, and that is over the moon, which we can use when you want to say happy. That's the end of the cue card. I hope that you like the sample answer which I have prepared for you guys. If you like it, do leave the comment in the comment section. And whatever the cue card or another content that you want to have, let me know. I'm going to post that in the next video of yours. Thank you. Bye-bye. Stay tuned.